This is a 2004 GMC Sierra 1500. I changed my water thermostat. All you have to do is lose one bolt from there, the second one right behind it on the other side. But to get to those bolts, you need to unleash this bracket right here. There's one bolt, two right there, 3, 4, and 5 over here. And make sure you take this off for you to have enough space. Drain all your coolant. My radiator hose is right there. I don't have a drain plug, so I took it out from there. And now I have the old thermostat. And now I put the new one in already. And now it's time to refill coolant. Thank you for watching.